Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to do the product review of this newly launched art markers by Camel. These are alcohol based markers coming in 120 different shades. I picked 5 of the shades specially from the skin tone range from a local store in my city. Right now, these are also available on online stores. I shall be posting the links down in the description box. Here you can see the overall packaging of the product. The name and the number of each shade is printed. It has two sides, brush and the chiseled, which again is labeled on the body of the marker. You can try different variation of strokes with this. The ink flow is quite rich and smooth and also dries down quick. The brush tip I feel is very versatile because you can just by holding it at different angle produce different variation in the strokes and just fill in the color very quickly, or you want to create small details, you can work with the tip of the brush. A very interesting similarity I felt between the Camel and the Ohuhu art markers here is the packaging first of all, and also how they both perform. Ohuhu is already one of my favorite range in the alcohol based markers, and the Camel one is also doing a good job right now. So talking about the blending between the colors, here I'm using two shades. Firstly, I will take the lighter shade on the top, and here I'm again using a different shade at the bottom. Now in order to blend between these two shades, I will take the first shade again and try to merge just in the middle line where both of these colors are meeting each other. So it's all about layering the colors, and I felt that the ink is really smooth and it just blends with each other without leaving too much of that patchy effect. Here I was using the 300 GSM ivory paper, and you can see the markers is bleeding slightly but not too much. So guys, remember to use a smooth and thick paper on which your markers will perform the best. So now I'm going to swatch all of these 5 shades here on the face which I've drawn, and you can buy these markers individually in both online or offline store. You can try with any one shade of your choice, and I particularly wanted to try the skin tone ones, so I picked the colors which I could see, and I tried to maintain a proper mix of the shades, both in warm to pinkish to dark chocolatey brown colors. And I feel that markers for skin tone is a quick and easy medium where you can just quickly finish the skin tone when you are illustrating and focus more on the garment. So someone who is also a beginner here, you can try with any one marker and see how it works for you. And for doing the skin tone, you can always try the base with marker and just use the marker itself like how I'm showing the shade here, or you can mix it with pencil colors, which I will show you in a while that which type of pencil colors will go best with this shade range. Now with the marker again guys, since it dries very quickly, you can always layer it. So you do the base and you let it dry, the color will become slightly light, and over it you can create more shadow and depth by giving little contouring or some shadow just right here on the cheekbones or below the face to create little of the shadow on the neck and so on. So here you can see all the skin tones just with the markers, Now I would be adding little more definition to them using pencils. These are from the Faber Castell Polychromos range. I will also be mentioning the shade number here. And these pencils again guys, you can buy them individually, both from offline or online stores. Now I got this from online stores. There are some websites or Amazon, and you can purchase them individually and try any of your choice. While choosing the pencil color for every marker, I just take care of two things. One is that the pencil color should be from the same color category or the same color family. That means if it has a reddish undertone, the pencil color should also have that reddish undertone. And secondly, if the pencil color is slightly darker, then it becomes more easier to create the depth. Like here you can see for the pencil color which I'm choosing, it is just like a darker version of the base marker. And using the combination of the marker and the pencil, you can create beautiful skin tones for your illustrations. Lastly, for the brown, I like the black because it creates the beautiful highlights, and also it is easier to emphasize on the features like the nose and the lips. And also I add a little bit of highlight for the center of the face with a lighter skin tone, and of course a fine liner to create the details of the eyes and the eyebrows. And here guys, the face range is completed using a marker and combination with the pencil. Let me know how you enjoyed this review and the overall tutorial. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep illustrating. Bye bye.